Hey guys, KTV here. It's not often you see me do this on the channel, but it's time for a bit of laundry. But this ain't laundry. This is KTV's laundry. So we got some old extension lead with a lovely unsleeve plug. Perfect. We got a white Knight Tumble dryer. We're going to be tumbling bricks today. The fucking safety's been bypassed. High heat. Yes please. Let's go on for 90 minutes. Now what goes in the first, brick or hammer? I think a hammer, do you? Oh no, that's too good. Now we're going to do it with the door connected. I can smell a nice toast smell. Can you smell that? Mmm. I smell toast. Now let's load it up with a couple more hammers, a couple more bricks. It's actually making a weird click noise. Mmm. Lovely. Let's put some more bricks in it, shall we? Okay, so it's still plugged in, it's still clicking. I've added a couple of stones, 2 hammers, God knows how many bricks. Let's turn it on. Yay. Come on. Let's remove the weight and see if it will allow us to go. Then we can have some fun snapping about. Is that enough gone? Yeah. Safety brake. Belt snap soon. Get in there. Oh. Yeah, it's definitely getting hot in there. Safety brake. Oh dear. Needs a nice small bit of something. Let's put 2 big bricks in there and see what it does. Let's put 2 bricks. Oh, it's broken all the oh. Yeah, we've broken all the guy's sides off it. I'm drying a brick, a hammer, and another hammer. Fuck's sake. That is unbelievable.